Hi, my name is Dina Shakran. I'm a third-year medical student, and I'm currently on my OBGYN rotation. One of my most memorable rotations so far has been the current one that I'm on. It's both inpatient and outpatient, so I'm getting a little bit of both of the experiences, but my favorite memory has just been delivering a baby by myself, essentially, like with the help of my preceptor, obviously, but very hands-on experience of just having that first delivery be mostly me doing it and just being able to have help the mom have her baby enter the world has been really exciting, and that's been one of my favorite memories. I think the most important thing that I've learned on this rotation is essentially how to stay calm in kind of a chaotic scene, because in that moment it's really a relationship between the mom and you and how to kind of form that bond and to calm her down and kind of give her instructions on how to best go about this. But it's a really element of staying calm, cool, and collected in an environment where lots of things are happening very quickly. So I think that's been the most important thing that I've learned, is just how to control myself for the benefit of my patients.